These days, we are all constantly snapping photos to capture our favorite moments. Some memories, though, are more precious than others and deserve to be showcased in an equally special way, rather than laying forgotten on the hard drive of your laptop. This is Anneleen. She celebrated her marriage with a beautiful wedding almost 1 year ago. She recently decided to design her wedding photos into a stunning Premium High Definition Photobook, so she could have something tangible to share with her friends and family. Anneleen designed her photobook herself using our Create and Print software. The software is user-friendly, so even those without design experience can easily create an appealing photobook layout. Our Premium High Definition Photobooks stand out due to their photographic quality printing and lay-flat binding. Printed on the only digital printing press of its kind in the African continent, your gorgeous images will appear more vivid than life on photorealistic paper, with a stunning range of color and superior clarity to conventional printing methods. Each page of our high-definition photobooks is hinged so it lays perfectly flat when open, allowing you the freedom to spread your favorite captured moments across multiple pages without losing any detail to the gutter of the book. Anneleen chose our A4 landscape format for her wedding photobook. This is an extremely popular option as it offers the perfect combination of great size and easy handleability. Our Premium High Definition Photobooks allow you to create a personalized hardcover with your own custom image and text on the front, with the choice of a matte or gloss finish. You can also choose a standard hardcover and add your own unique touch with a debossed foiled text or design on the front. You also have the option of 2 beautiful photorealistic papers for your photobook. Anneleen selected the glossy paper due to its superbly vibrant colors, but you can go with the lustre paper if you prefer a more traditional photolab print aesthetic. All our photobooks are presented in a lovely black box and wrapped in delicate tissue paper. You too can easily create your own breathtaking Premium High Definition Photobook in the A4 landscape size. Design and order your photobook between the 1st and 31st of October 2019, and you will get an extra free 20 pages to display your cherished memories. To discover all the details of this awesome promotion, check out the description of the video below. If you need any help designing your unique photobook, click on the link below to go through to our tutorial video. Remember, we are only 1 call away, and you can get in touch via the contact details in the description of this video.